Welcome to the HardReset.Info YouTube channel. In this short and simple video, I will show how you can download a HUAWEI Health app. So to start, you will need to just go ahead and launch the AppGallery. Onwards, input the health query at the search bar. And then just find the HUAWEI Health app. In my case, that's probably better if I'll go for the full name of the app, thus the HUAWEI Health. And here it is. Now let's open its app page, tap at the install button, and wait for the app to be downloaded and installed respectively. So as you can see, the HUAWEI Health app was downloaded and installed successfully. So that will be it for this video. Thanks for watching and bye bye.